Good morning mga fitness. So today is Wednesday. So magwo-workout tayo ng love handle dito. Yan, mga workouts na love handle. So parang love lang yan. So kung may love ka, so ito naman tawag dito is love handle na workout. So paan paliitin to. Itong love handle natin dito. So gagawin natin tong bikat. Yan. So bikat sa dito. Pa-shape ng bikat ng mga fitness. So tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano yung mga workout ng love handle. So ngayon umpisa natin. So my first workout is side to side crunches. So 20 reps. Susunod natin is heel touch. So 20 reps lang mga fitness. So next is scissors. Tapos flutter kicks. Scissors 20 reps. Tapos flutter kicks 20 reps. Flutter kicks 20 reps. So next is Russian twist mga fitness, 20 reps. Yan. So ito yung pinaka serratus. So next is V-ups. 20 reps side to side. Ito. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last workout natin is spider plank. Spider plank. So 15 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Ayan yung pinaka-abs mga fitness. So yun lang yung workout natin sa love handle. Dito sa pinaka love handle ng workout natin. So yun lang mga fitness.